Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your age group on Roblox. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now keep in mind, you can only do this one time in the Roblox app or roblox.com, and this only works if you're older than 13. If you're under 13, I'll also walk you through how you can change your age or reset it to the correct age. Now open up the Roblox app or go to roblox.com, whether you're on an iPhone, Android, or a computer. Tap on More at the bottom right. Scroll down. Tap on Settings. Tap on Account Info at the top. Scroll down and you see it says check your age to get more features, or it might say in here, did we get your age correct? And if it didn't get your age correct, just tap on the reset button in gray. It will pop up with something that says this: we can estimate your age using the camera, or you can verify your birthday with a physical ID like a driver's license or a passport. You can choose, in this case, continue with camera. It will say two-step verification. Essentially, enter in the code that was emailed, texted to you, or an authenticator app, and you'll take that selfie and it will estimate your new age and put it in here. If this doesn't work for you, there is a second option as well. Tap the X arrow, or if you don't see that option, tap the X at the top left and tap back at the top left. From here, scroll down, tap on Help and Safety. Tap on Help at the top. Tap on Search Our Articles. Type in age. Scroll down and tap on where it says, how do I change my age? It says, how do I change my age and minimum age requirements? We already went through this process of changing it normally in the app, but if this doesn't work for you, there are other options. Scroll down. If you have a child account, it says parents can manage their child's age through linked accounts. To do this, you must first have your own Roblox account linked to your child's. Essentially, the parent or guardian needs to go through this process to change your age if you are a child or have a child account under a parent's account. Next, you can scroll down other options as well. You can see either a facial age estimate or a ID verification, including a driver's license and passport. You can see how to undo your age check. You can go through this process. If you go through all of these and it doesn't work still, tap on Need More Help, Contact Support here. You can see it pops up with the ability to contact Roblox to be able to help you reset that age. Enter in your first name, your username, your email address, which is important. This needs to be linked to your Roblox account. Tap on the device, in my case, iPhone. And the category on here, you can choose the appropriate category. In this case, I don't see anything that is related to add or changing the age. So essentially what we're going to choose instead, oh, why does it keep doing that, is how to. Tap on subcategory, and I'm going to tap on how to other. And then describe what you're having issues with here. Essentially enter in that you tried to update your age, you tried to do the selfie or the ID, or your parent tried to update your age and it's not working. Roblox will take a couple days to get back to you, and they'll walk you through steps on getting that fixed. I hope this helps. If it did, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.